Hello, and today we're going to be making some carp bait that is called Panko. Let's go into it! Done the intro, so now we're going to pass you on to what you need to make Panko bait. Some jelly, mixture jelly. So we made a mistake. You needed dry jelly powder instead of wobbly jelly. And some soft bread. That's what you need. And some sweet corn. You can, and any sort of thing you want that at least makes breadcrumbs. So, and also you can use dried peas, whatever you want to use to make Panko bait. But the first thing you need is bread and sweet corn, and we got a mini chopper. And you can either have a bucket or a bowl. First of all, we're going to make breadcrumbs that my dad's going to help with our chopper, but you can use a blender or anything that will make breadcrumbs. Let's see you into it. That was very fun. My dad helped me. So now let's put the breadcrumbs in our bowl. So here we go. Need to do that again because we've only got a small blender. Let's get some more. So we need to put our dry jelly powder in to our tiny breadcrumbs. And it's already hard to open this. Now our jelly powder's in, we need to give it a good mix. So you need half of the sweet corn juice, so you probably need your dad to help, so my dad's gonna help. So I'm gonna use the whole can of sweet corn and sweet corn juice, so it doesn't matter. Because we got a ton of breadcrumbs, so that's that. Now, time to mix it again. We've made our mixture, so now we're going to show you how to put the Panko into our feeder. Here we go. So you push it in, you squeeze it around your feeder, and you pull it up, and voila! There's your feeder. But what we do is we grab a piece of sweet corn, put it in there with the hook on, so that all of the mixture will dissolve, and it will dissolve next to our sweet corn. That's it for me. So thank you to the Outdoor Boys, because they told us how to make this mix, so we had to go ourselves, and it was very fun. even though it was quite hard. And my dad cut his thumb. Like and subscribe and smash that like button. See you in the next one. Peace!